Pleasant words are as honeycomb, sweet to the soul and health to the bones. Proverbs chapter 16 verses 24. Hello beautiful family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Anytime that I visit Ghana, there's this special bread that I always love to buy, this colorful sweet sugar bread. And today I'm going to show you how to make this. Today is very colorful and very vibrant here, so I decided to show you how to make this delicious bread, and it's always so good. I'm going to list each and every ingredient below in the description box. So first of all, I'm going to grab my lukewarm water, add about half cup of sugar. I want our bread to smell so nice, so I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and to that I'm going to add 14 grams of instant dried yeast. Best way to activate your dried instant yeast, and I'm going to add just 14 grams because we don't want too much in the bread. Actually, if you have the wet yeast, you can go ahead and use it directly, but this is how I love it. It's much safe. And I'm going to go ahead and set it aside, and once it's very active, it's going to give you this foamy reaction that you know that you are safe to use it. So once that is done, I'm going to grab my standing machine. I'm going to use this today because I will need a little bit of help from it. You can also go ahead and use your hands. It's absolutely okay. All that I did is mix everything, and I also added about 1 cup of milk to it, and then went in with my all-purpose flour. If you're in Ghana, please use hard flour for your bread. And I also added a tablespoon of salt and a tablespoon of nutmeg. I really love the nutmeg flavor in my sugar bread. I'm going to go ahead and mix everything together. It's so easy using your standard mixture, and of course you can use your hands. I've made lots of bread using no machines, just hands. I'm going to link for you here so that you watch it, okay? It will come out just perfect. Using the standing mixture really going to help me not to knead it that much because it's doing all the job. I also added some melted butter for that rich flavor, and I'm going to go ahead and gently mix it while kneading it in the process as well until you get this consistency on your screens. It can be a little bit sticky. If you do not want it to stick in your hands, please apply some oil or a little bit of flour. You'll be good to work with it much more easier. Okay, so once I get this consistency, I'm going to transfer it on my surface. Use your surface in your kitchen. Just make sure it's clean and safe to use. Just sprinkle a little bit of flour on there. Go ahead and go in with your hands or use anything that could help you. Just twist it and turn it a little bit before you get a very stretchy dough. You see me do, it's not sticking in my hands anymore. It's just bounces so nice. That is the texture we are looking for. Once I get the perfect dough, I am going to now divide it into 4 parts. I'm going to make one slightly bigger than the other. So once I get that bigger portion, I'm going to divide the rest of it into 3 equal parts because I'm going to use 3 colors for this bread. It is absolutely incredible. I am going to use green, red and the yellow color. Please choose any color that you prefer. This is food color. It does not hurt nobody. Just use a little bit of amount in there, and you're going to get a different type of bread that you're going to love. The household love this bread so much. So these are the colors that I'm opting for. I'm going to go ahead and just sprinkle a little bit, just about half a teaspoon of the green color, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in my machine and make sure I mix it until it is well uniform. I'm going to go ahead and do it to all the other colors. These are so perfect, and it just gives you this vibrant feeling. And anytime that I make this, the kids go wild for it just because of the colors that they see in the bread, and it's absolutely delicious. You're going to make sure you stir it very well, mix it very well if you're using your mixer, so that the colors become very nice and uniform. So once you get the perfect color that you need, go ahead and put it aside in a bowl. Mold it into this round shape, just like the way you make your fufu, and make it rest in a bowl. Go ahead and do it to all the other colors that you're going to make. You can see I did not use too much of the green color because I don't want it to be overly green. So it's up to you. If you want it to be more vibrant, go ahead and add more of the food color. And so now let's go to the yellow color. It was very nice and vibrant. I did the same process, kneaded it, molded it into this round shape, and went ahead with a red one as well, and voila, we are done. I'm putting everything here, allowing it to rest, and this is the other portion that I did not apply any color to it. I'm going to go ahead and cover it and allow this to rest until they double in their sizes. Look how bounty they look. It just bounces back. This is the real deal. If it does not bounce back, then there is something wrong. So now let's work a little bit on the dough that I did not apply any color on. I'm going to divide it into 2 equal parts because I'm making 2 loaves of bread this recipe. Okay, so I'm going to roll it until it's very nice and flat. I improvised using my glass jar. Just use anything you have, okay, just so that you roll it. I realized my rolling pin was nowhere to be found. I'm very surprised. So I'm going to go ahead and roll it until they're very nice and flat like this. This is the first layer that I want it to have, and then I'll go ahead and roll the colors as well. I'm starting with the yellow. You can start with the red, the green, or any color of choice. I'm dividing every dough into 2 equal parts because we're having 2 loaves of bread. Okay, don't worry if they are not exactly the same. One can be bigger, slightly bigger than the other. That's fine. So long as you're not selling it and you're enjoying it at home, there's no need to measure it like very specifically. Okay, so right now I'm going to add my yellow layer, and then go ahead and use a green, and then comes the very lovely vibrant red as well. Even though it looks a little bit pinkish, it is red in my eyes. Okay, it looked a bit pink here. So I'm going to roll it until each and every layer gets nice and flat, and then roll the bread into a beautiful loaf. Just see, it is not too difficult at all. Each and everyone will be able to make this once you set your mind on it. This is absolutely so gorgeous, and it was nice and very fluffy. As you can see, it is not, the dough here is not sticking in my hands, so that is supposed to be the final product. Very nice and stretchy as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in my loaf pan and go ahead and do the second one, and we will be done. Okay, it's very popular for you to see this design on top of your bread, especially the sugar bread. It's always so inviting. So I kind of did the same thing, just so you know the colors that you're going to find in this particular bread. Once I'm done here, I'm going to cover it so it doubles in size before I put it in the oven. And I went ahead to just smear a little bit of butter on top so that it comes out nice and glossy and very inviting. I went ahead to set my oven at 170 degrees, and oh my goodness, it was so good. I'm going to bake this for just about 20 minutes. Okay, make sure it does not exceed that, because either than that, your bread is going to come out very hard. Okay, I'm going to set everything in, close it, and make sure I allow it to bake nicely for almost 20 minutes. Okay, from 15 to 20 minutes you should be good, depending on how dark brown you want it. It goes so well with your emorikoko, which I always make anytime I make fresh bread at home. It is so perfect with a bit of your peanut and your milk. Look at that bread. Oh my goodness, look at those loaves of bread. Absolutely beautiful. I just want that glossy look, so I went ahead to just go ahead and little splash of margarine on top, or butter, just so that it looks nice and inviting on the outside. It's so nice and hot, so you just want to go ahead and let it rest for a while before you take them off your loaf. Okay, looks so good, as you can see, so amazing. And you just want to also cover it, allow it to rest a little bit so it becomes very nice and soft on the outside and in the inside. Now let's go ahead and cut through this bread, and you are going to see for yourself. It's so delicious, very rich bread that I want you all to try. It did not last for long at all. Everybody was on this bread because we truly enjoyed it. Look how beautiful it came out. So nice and stretchy, very delicious. So there you have it, family. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe and you're going to give it a try. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy this recipe, and if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and as always, know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day.